stick this piece to your boat like this. This is a small DC motor with a propeller. This is a 9-volt battery connector. And here is the simple circuit. Let's attach this thing to our boat. Make sure your propeller is producing thrust in this way. To make it happen, in my case, the propeller should rotate in this direction. Let's connect the battery. After taking it to the water, I noticed that the backside of the boat is heavier, so I need to adjust the battery position slightly. Now let's take it to the water. It is floating nicely, but we need to add a little bit weight in front of the boat to make it more balanced and stable. This is a small piece of rubber as weight. You can use anything you want. Here I am also adding some ice cream sticks at the back of the boat. Apply hot glue to the soldered joint to make it more stronger. Let's go for the final test. Now it's 100% balanced. Let's test it in the outdoors. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.